Hi viewers! In today's video we are going to talk about is pineapple juice better than cough syrup? Did you know that a single glass of pineapple juice contains 50% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C? It also has important enzymes which regulate your metabolism and the energy production in your body. Pineapple is also rich in magnesium, which is very important for bones and tissues, and will help your body absorb calcium more easily. Before you start, if you are a new follower, like the video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn out the notification bell to receive all new videos. Pineapple better than cough syrup? If you have a cough, which is not due to something more serious like pneumonia, you should drink pure pineapple juice instead of taking cough syrup. Pineapple juice is very effective at treating the common cough. If your cough lasts for more than a week or disrupts your sleep, call your doctor and ask what treatments you should consider. People who have a pineapple allergy, or are allergic to other tropical fruits, should not drink pineapple juice. For digestion and detox. Since pineapple is rich in fiber, it can improve your digestion and will efficiently cleanse your intestines. Pineapple is one of the best natural diuretics because it improves kidney function, and will quickly filter toxins out of your body. For women who are dealing with painful menstrual cramps should drink pineapple juice because bromelain, which is found in pineapple, has pain-relieving properties. For your skin, since it is rich in vitamin C, pineapple can help you get rid of acne and acne scars. Use its juice as a toner or just apply it onto your face and wait for it to dry. Afterwards, rinse with warm water. For other health issues, research has also shown that this natural pineapple mixture can help patients who are dealing with tuberculosis, sinus problems, coughing, sneezing and infections. Let's see how to make this natural syrup. 250 milliliters of fresh pineapple juice. 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1 piece of ginger root, ground. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1/2 teaspoon of chili pepper. How to do it? Combine all ingredients in a blender, and blend until smooth. Consume 1/4 of a glass of the mixture 2 to 3 times a day until your symptoms are gone. You can prepare pineapple a variety of different ways, but the best way is to drink it as a freshly squeezed juice. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit the like button below. For more healthy eating videos, subscribe our channel.